Hi there, today I'll be sharing how to make taco salad without meat. If you'd like to make this too, you'll need, of course, a dish, tortilla chips, shredded cheese, salsa, sour cream, cream cheese, lettuce, and a mixer. First, take the whole 8-ounce package of cream cheese and place it in your mixing bowl. Then start spooning in the sour cream a little at a time. Set your mixer on medium and keep doing this until you have a smooth consistency. Now scoop that into the pan, spreading evenly. By the way, I'm filming my mom making this because it's her specialty. Every time we're invited to a barbecue, she's asked to bring it, and it's always a hit. Pour the salsa all over the top. Using a small spatula to spread it all over makes the job a little easier. Start chopping the lettuce as finely as you can and spread it all over the salsa. Then take the cheese and spread evenly on top of the lettuce. As an added touch, you can place tortilla chips around the pan, but do this when it's ready to be served or the chips will get soggy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing, and have a great day. Bye!